Hello everybody, Low VR Gamer is here back again, and today I'm going to show you how you can use your glasses with your Meta Quest 2 headset. So, if you have a Meta Quest headset, if you go to one, first of all you're gonna find something like this inside the package. These are the adapters that let you use glasses. This will increase the distance between your lens and your glasses if you are using glasses, and these are usable only when you play with glasses, or if you need more distance between your eyes and your lens, you can do that. As you can see here, I already have some blue lenses. These are not prescription lenses, but I want to play VR with my glasses. So how can you do that? So first of all, you have to insert this, which you got in your package when you bought the Meta Quest 2. You have to push here in order to insert it, and push here until you are going to hear a clap sound. So right now it's okay. After that, you should press this one. This is the front cover, and you also will get this on your Meta Quest package when you bought it, which you should put above this first cover here. So you put this above it for extra protection, and you also put it like this here. You check it to see if it's correctly, then you push, then you should hear something like this. So what you do after this? So after that, you simply take your glasses off, as I'm doing right now, and you insert them over here. As you can see, that's what you should do. The next step is to hold your glasses with your two-handed and put the headset on your head. After that, you're gonna have your glasses and your headset on. After you put this on your head, you simply can move the glasses. If are too close to the lens, you can move them back to your eyes, close to your eyes, and fix your cover, your Bobo VR cover, or what cover you also have. So yeah, it's really simple and is really playable like this. When you want to remove your headset from your head, you simply hold with your two fingers like this your glasses and remove them with the glasses, because if you don't do that, you can damage your face with the glasses when you remove the headset. So I recommend you to hold like this the glasses and remove the headset with the glasses. So this is all. This is really simple. I'm also having some protection lenses here, some blue protection lenses here. You can buy them, are really okay. But if you don't have them, I don't know, you might be damaging your glasses. So I really recommend you to got this, because if you damage them, you can replace them. You can buy them. These are not really expensive. So that's why I'm showing you this video, because you can simply use your headset with your glasses like this, and these are really okay, and these are really working, and you won't got any damage on your face, because if you're using a Bobo VR like this one and you use it properly, the headset will stay above your head and won't damage your nose with the glasses. So the headset should stay oriented like this on your head, and should be letting the weight onto your head, onto your head, not on your face. So yeah, that's everything that I wanted to show you. It's really simple to use your glasses. You simply put them inside, and then like this, holding this, put them on your face, then do this flip to put this back and hold your VR headset. That was all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and stay tuned for new episodes.